Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we are going to continue our lesson from this paragraph. That is after the elections. Now, how the chief minister has been elected. Now, here after the election, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and other ministers. So, who appoint the chief minister and other minister? The governor of the state. Sorry.
Governor of the state.
Then the chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries. That means now the chief minister with the other ministers, that means its cabinet. Chief minister और जो उसके ministers जो appoint किए गए हैं, that will form the cabinet only, the cabinet of chief minister. So they have been the responsibility of running the various government departments of or ministries. जो दूसरे departments है, like health ministries, sorry, health ministry, agricultural ministry, foreign ministry. So these are various the departments of the government. Now these departments of the government, they have been given in the hands of different ministers to take care of. So they have been separate offices. They have the separate offices. These ministries have the separate offices, and the legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition party, meet to discuss various things. Underline this. What is a legislative assembly? This is the definition of legislative assembly. What is a legislative assembly? इट इज अ प्लेस. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली क्या है? ये एक जगह है जहां पर जितने भी एमएलए होते हैं, मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, चाहे वो मेंबर्स रूलिंग पार्टी के हों, चाहे वो मेंबर्स ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के हों, दो दे ऑल सिट टुगेदर टू डिस्कस ऑन वेरियस इश्यूज. कोई भी इश्यू होता है उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए वो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में मीटिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. क्लियर? सो हेंस सम एमएलएज हैव डुअल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. कुछ एमएलए की डबल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है. वन एज एन एमएलए, एक तो एज एन एमएलए मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है, और दूसरा एज अदर एज मिनिस्टर, अदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एज अ नॉर्मल मिनिस्टर. क्लियर? वी विल रीड अबाउट इट फर्दर. This paragraph we have read yesterday. The head of the state. Who is the head of the state?
Ma'am, governor.
Governor. We have read already, na?
Governor.
Appointed by whom?
Yes. Ma'am, government. Governor.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट होती है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट होती है ना, तो वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से अपॉइंट होते हैं ये. एंड ही हैज टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द constitution, written in the constitution. Now a debate in the legislative assembly. Now as we have seen, what is a legislative assembly? It is a place where the members of legislative assembly as well as the opposition party all sit together to discuss the thing. Now here it is a debate given how the in the legislative assembly the opinions are discussed. Now Afreen, Sujata and many other students from their school traveled to the state capital to visit the legislative assembly. Now these students are visiting what place? These students are visiting what? State capital. State capital. Why they are visiting state capital? Because they want to see the
Legislative assembly.
Yes. Now legislative assembly was housed in an impressive building. Housed in an impressive building means impressive building, a beautiful building. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली जहां पर ऑर्गेनाइज होती है वो कैसी बिल्डिंग है? बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. क्लियर? So the children were excited. All the children were very excited to see this legislative assembly. After security checks, they were taken upstairs. Security checks के बाद वो ऊपर की तरफ लेकर गए उन लोगों को, बच्चों को, and they were gallery from where they could see the large hall below, and they were taken to the gallery where they can see a large hall, and there was rows and rows of desks, and in that hall what was there? Rows and rows of desks. That means that the assembly was held there. Now the assembly was going to have a debate on current problem. अब assembly में क्या discussion होने वाला है? Current problem पे. What was the current problem?
मैम अभी
lack of drinking water, है ना? Water shortage is the current problem. So the assembly was going to have a debate on this problem. During this time, MLA can express their opinions. इस समय तक MLAs अपना opinions express करेंगे. They can ask questions. Now, what all things will happen in this assembly? The MLAs express their opinions, ask the questions related to the issue. They can give suggestions about what they should be done in the government, and those who wish to can respond to this. और कोई भी चाहता है अपना व्यू पॉइंट देने के लिए तो वो भी दे सकता है. So all these things are happening in the legislative assembly. The minister then replies to the questions and tries to ensure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. और उसके बाद जो ministers होते हैं, the ruling party के ministers हैं होते हैं, वो reply करते हैं सारे questions के कि yes, proper steps, adequate step is proper steps will be taken to avoid the prevailing situation. Clear? Now the chief minister and other ministers have to take decision to and run the government. Who has to take the decision on the problem? Lakshita, who has to take the decision on the problem?
मैम can I?
Yes.
मैम chief ministers and
Very good. Chief minister and other ministers have to take the decision on the problems which they had to discuss. And we usually hear about them or see them in the news channel. कभी कभी हम लोग कोई problem discuss होते हुए हम लोग देखते हैं ना, discussion होते हुए news channels पे, TV channels पे. However, whatever discussions are being taken have to be approved by the members of Legislative Assembly. Now, whatever decisions are taken by the Chief Minister and its cabinet ministers or its ministers, it had to be approved by whom? Approved by the other
members,
also.
the legislative
Members of the legislative. Other members also had to get the approval of that particular step which is being taken by the chief minister and other ministers. Now in the democracy, these members can ask questions. अब इस democracy में we as India is a democratic country, you all know. India is a democratic country or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How we can say that India is a democratic country? Because we the people have right to
Vote.
choose the representatives
Representatives.
who form the government, है ना?
Government. Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए we are democratic form, we are having a democratic form of government because हमें ये अधिकार दिया गया है कि हम अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चूज कर सके इलेक्शन में और ताकि वो गवर्नमेंट हमारे बिहाफ पे वो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर सके. So in a democracy, these members can ask questions. ये जो members choose किया है हमने, they can ask questions, they can debate, argument कर सकते हैं important issues पे. They can decide where money should be spent और वो decide भी कर सकते हैं कि कहाँ पर पैसा लगाना चाहिए for the welfare of the people. And they have the main authority और उनके पास main power होता है. Clear? किसके पास होता है? Members के पास. Now here it is the discussion given about the debate given about different MLAs, different ministers of different constituencies. अलग अलग constituency एक पूरा state different constituencies में different groups में divide किया गया है. उसमें अलग अलग MLAs हैं. तो ये लोग MLAs अपने अपने area का situation बता रहे हैं. Now MLA 1, it is of Akhandgaon. He is given the situation about his own area that it is suffering from diarrhea. MLA 2, it is given the situation and giving that steps which are being taken by the government in related to that particular situation. Clear? Then MLA 3 is also belongs to the toll party, that is the another part of the state, the constituency of the state, and it is suffering from the serious shortage of water. Now MLA 3 is discussing about its own problem in the area. It's in own area problem that is called that is the shortage of water. उसके area में shortage of water है और MLA 1 के area में क्या problem है? Diarrhea की problem है. MLA 2 की क्या problem है? कि government hospitals bad situation में है. Clear? MLA 3 की क्या problem है? कि उनके एरिया में शॉर्टेज
Water
ऑफ
shortage.
वाटर है।
बहुत ज्यादा
वेरी गुड। MLA 4 का क्या है कि जो भी स्टेप्स गवर्नमेंट ले रही है, क्या स्टेप्स गवर्नमेंट ले रही है वो बता रहे हैं वो MLA 4 अपने एरिया में, उनके खुद के एरिया में जो भी स्टेप्स लिया जा रहा है, ORS पैकेट, ORS के घोल दिए जा रहे हैं या क्या टैंकर्स लगा दिए जा रहे हैं पानी की शॉर्टेज को पूरा करने के लिए, वो सारा बताया जा रहा है। MLA 5 क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, वो पुअर फैसिलिटीज जो हॉस्पिटल्स में है उनके एरिया में वो बता रहे हैं कि उनके एरिया में पुअर फैसिलिटीज है हॉस्पिटल्स की, उसके लिए उनको रिस्पॉन्सिबल माना जा रहा है और दे नीड टू इम्प्रूव दैट condition in their area. And MLA 6 belongs to the opposition party. MLA 6 क्या है, opposition party को belong करते हैं ये, and he is given, he is making responsible for every situation, he is making responsible to the ruling party. वो ruling party को responsible मान रहे हैं कि जो भी situation arise हो रही है कि ruling party अगर proper step ले रही है तो it is good, otherwise all the responsibility of worst situation is for the ruling party only. So this discussion I have given in the short, you will read it in detail. Clear yourself?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when you asked me question, ma'am, that time my mic was not working, and then I leave and again joined. So, ma'am, can you explain these MLA 1 and 2?
Better, I will explain just now, but next time be careful that the video recording is going on, and I have means I am sending the link of this. Whatever you missed out anytime, you can go and check on that link, and you can see the video again, है ना? Because
Yes, ma'am.
it will be just wastage of time. So many lessons are remaining, and if I'll explain for each and everyone like this, some of the other one have the network issue, and in this case we will not be able to complete our course also. No problem. MLA 1 is belongs to the which constituency, which part? अखंड गांव. एक ही स्टेट को डिवाइड किया गया है डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में, और MLA 1 अखंड गांव में है. Is problem is that the area is suffering from the diarrhea. So many deaths are there, death cases are there in diarrhea. So he has to take attention, care to the its own people. MLA 2 is discussing about that the situation, the condition of the government hospital is not proper in its area of MLA 2. Clear? In this way, all the 6 MLAs are discussing about the problems related to their own issues, their own areas. But MLA 6 is the opposition member party, and he is making responsible to the ruling party that they are responsible for giving the proper health sanitation to the people, to provide proper clearing the garbage and all. So you will read it in detail yourself, all these discussion of the debate. Clear? मैंने short में बता दिया, you will read in detail yourself about the discussion of MLAs. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in the earlier section you have read about the debate in the Legislative Assembly. The above you have discussion, it was about the debate in the Legislative Assembly. The members were debating the action taken, not taken by the government. Now all the members were debating what? Debating means discussing. Debating means discussing about the action which were taken by the government and which was not taken by the government also. That action was also discussed in the Legislative Assembly. Now this is because the MLA are together responsible for the work of government. Who is responsible for the work of government? Who is responsible for the work of government? The MLA.
MLA.
MLAs.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट में काम
MLAs.
के members of Legislative Assembly responsible होते हैं. In the common usage word, government refers to the government departments and various ministers who had them. Commonly अगर हम word use करते हैं government, that means it is used for various government departments, whether it is agricultural department, whether it is health department, whether it is PWD, public work department, कोई भी department अगर हो, that it comes under the word government. Now the overall head is the chief minister. Overall head of these government department is whom? The chief minister. Now more correctly, this is called the executive part of the government. The chief government working, the ministers working in different government offices, different government departments. This is generally called as executive part of the government. That means the action, the working, whatever government works, it is through these government departments only. So all the MLAs who gather together, that is gather together means to assemble in the legislative assembly, are called legislature. So what is legislature? All the MLAs who assemble in the legislative assembly are called legislature. Clear? They frame rules and laws and regulations. Now they are the ones who authorize to supervise the work. अब ये ही इनको right दिया गया है to supervise the work of each and every government department. As we saw earlier section, it is from among them that we had the executive or the chief minister is formed, और इनमें से ही हेड ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव और चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाया जाता है. इन एमएलएज में से ही इलेक्ट किया, चूज करके, सेलेक्ट करके. यस और नो?
Yes,
ओके. नाउ हाउ दिस वर्किंग ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टेक प्लेस, कैसे ये वर्क किया जाता है गवर्नमेंट में. The legislative assembly is not only the place, underline this, the legislative assembly is not only the place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. Now in the legislative assembly, not only discussions are being held on the various topics, on the various issues, on the various problems, but the government is demanded for the action also. Proper what action the government is taking, it is also decided in the लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. क्लियर? प्रॉब्लम्स का ही डिस्कशन नहीं होता, बट गवर्नमेंट क्या एक्शन ले रही है, क्या स्टेप ले रही है प्रॉब्लम के खिलाफ, वो भी इसमें डिस्कस किया जाता है असेंबली में. यू विल फाइंड न्यूज़पेपर, टीवी चैनल्स एंड अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रेगुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट. नाउ इन अ डेमोक्रेसी देयर आर वेरियस वेज थ्रू व्हिच people express their views and also take action. Now there are various ways, बहुत सारे अलग तरीके होते हैं in a democratic form of government where people can express their views, जहां पर लोग अपनी बात गवर्नमेंट के आगे रख सकते हैं. Now one such way through which the people can express their views is a press conference. Clear? Now soon after the discussion in the assembly there was a press conference. जैसे ही assembly हुई, legislative assembly में discussion हुआ, उसके बाद क्या प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज की गई. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किसने ऑर्गेनाइज करी? हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ने. एंड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल, किसने इसमें कॉन्फ्रेंस में पार्टिसिपेट किया? लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट न्यूज़पेपर वर देयर, मिनिस्टर्स वर देयर and government officials were also present in this press conference. And the minister explained the steps the government has taken. और ministers क्या explain कर रही थी इस press conference में कि गवर्नमेंट क्या स्टेप ले रही है प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए. Now reporters asked many questions at the meetings. Now reporters were asking many questions in the meeting. Why? Because they had to give the detail to the public. Yes or no? Now these discussions were then reported in the different newspaper. ये जो भी डिस्कस हुआ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, उसकी रिपोर्ट न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू किसको देना जरूरी होता है? लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए. हाँ, पब्लिक को अवेयर करना जरूरी होता है कि ये डिस्कशन हुआ, ये स्टेप्स गवर्नमेंट ने लिए. सो द फॉलोइंग पेज हैज वन सच रिपोर्ट. ये फॉलोइंग पेज जो है ये एक रिपोर्ट के बारे में बता रहा है. दैट इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड अदर मिनिस्टर्स हैड विजिटेड द Patalpuram district. Now Patalpuram district was having the problem of water shortage. Now what step the government has taken? The chief minister and other minister has visited this district, and they went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospital. अब चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर्स ने कहां पर विजिट किया? उन लोगों के घरों पे विजिट किया जिन्होंने डायरिया की वजह से अपनी लाइफ गंवा दी थी. उनके फैमिलीज को चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर्स ने विजिट किया. प्लस दे हैड आल्सो अनाउंस्ड द कंपनसेशन. कंपनसेशन मींस व्हाट इज अ कंपनसेशन? जो भी नुकसान हुआ है उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंसमेंट किया कि वो उसकी भरपाई करेंगे. जो भी इन फैमिलीज को नुकसान हुआ है ड्यू टू हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम और वाटर शॉर्टेज प्रॉब्लम, वो उसकी भरपाई करेंगे. क्लियर? फुलफिलमेंट करेंगे. Now families, the chief minister also said that thought the problem was not only one of the sanitation but also of the lack of clean drinking water. Chief minister ने कहा कि ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ साफ सफाई की ही नहीं है, सैनिटेशन मीन्स साफ सफाई की ही नहीं है, पर क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसके लिए भी ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हुई है. He said that the high level inquiry committee should be asked to look into the proper sanitation facilities should be provided. Public health work, public work department जो होता है, PWD डिपार्टमेंट को अवेयर करना पड़ेगा. किसके लिए? फॉर द वाटर सप्लाई इन द रीजन. क्लियर? ये सब स्टेप क्या लिया है चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर्स ने? उन्होंने क्या स्टेप लिया? पहले तो विजिट किया फैमिलीज को, उनको कंपनसेशन देने के लिए बात करी. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि क्या रीजन है ये प्रॉब्लम्स का, कि सिर्फ सैनिटेशन ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर भी है, और इसीलिए उन्होंने सैनिटेशन फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करने के लिए स्टेप लिया. प्लस दे हैड मेड अवेयर टू द पब्लिक वर्क डिपार्टमेंट to provide proper water supply to the people. Now, as you saw above, the people in the power like chief minister and minister have taken action. So they do so through various departments. जो भी एक्शन लिया गया चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर के द्वारा, it was related to different departments. Like public work department was included for the water supply, agriculture department was included for the proper food supply, also health department was for the proper health sanitation problem to sort out, education department was included to aware the people about proper health condition. So ये सारे proper different departments को कंसर्न किया गया चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर के द्वारा to take proper steps for providing different facilities to the people of Patalpuram. They also have to answer the question that they are asked in the legislative assembly and convince people asking the question that proper steps are being taken. उनको असेंबली में जो भी क्वेश्चंस पुट अप किए जाते थे उनको चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर्स को जवाब भी देना है. इवन दे हैड टू कन्विंस पीपल, लोगों को कन्विंस भी करना है कि हाँ हमने प्रॉपर स्टेप लिए गए हैं टू रेक्टिफाई द प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए हम प्रॉपर तरीके ढूंढ रहे हैं और प्रॉपर स्टेप ले लिया गया है. क्योंकि इफ पीपल विल नॉट बी सेटिस्फाइड, might be in the coming election they will not give vote to the ruling party, or ruling party can lose the election in the coming election. Clear? So people को convince करना, लोगों को satisfy करना भी बहुत जरूरी है कि proper step लेकर के. So at the same time newspaper and media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond. For example, by holding the press conference hold करके पूरा गवर्नमेंट ने अपना स्टेप्स जो भी लिया है, रिस्पॉन्स लिया है, वो सारा कुछ उन्होंने क्लियरिफाई किया लोगों को. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टिल हियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The government also decided to make laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. अब laws भी बनाया गया so that people can be provided proper health facilities. Clean places should be provided. For example, it may take it compulsory for municipal corporation. Municipal corporation means नगर पालिका को भी अवेयर कर दिया गया कि प्रॉपर टॉयलेट फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल किया जाए, सिटीज में बिल्डिंग्स बनाई जाए टॉयलेट के लिए, और हेल्थ वर्कर्स को भी अपॉइंट किया गया विलेजेस में ताकि वो लोगों की हेल्थ का ध्यान रखे जाए. प्लस द एक्ट ऑफ मेकिंग लॉज ऑन सर्टेन इश्यूज इज डन इन द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में लॉ भी बनाया जाता है. Now the various government departments then implement these laws. और जितने भी laws बनाए जाते हैं legislative assembly में, उसको working में कौन लाता है? Various government departments. जितने भी government departments है, health ministry, agriculture ministry, finance ministry, PWD department, वो सारे जितने भी laws बनाए हैं assembly में, वो सारे implement working में लाए जाते हैं ताकि लोगों को benefit हो. I hope it is clear. Now underline this. Laws for the entire country are made in parliament. Parliament में laws बनाए जाते हैं for the entire country, पूरी country के लिए. And you will read about parliament in the next year. Now in democracy, it is the people who elect the representative. Democratic form of government में जैसे मैंने discuss किया, people elect the MLAs. Clear? And thus people who have main authority. Now who have the main authority here? People. Public main authority है. कौन powerful है यहाँ पर? Main authority means
People.
powerful.
Ma'am, public.
Public is more powerful because they only elect the ministers. Comes the members of legislative assembly and who runs the government on behalf of the public only. So the ruling party members then forms the government and some members are appointed ministers. Now these ministers are in charge of various departments. ये जो ministers appoint किए जाते हैं ये various departments में appoint किए जाते हैं and then they look to the departments such as health and various departments which we have already read about, PWD and all. Now whatever work is done in the department has to be approved by the members of legislative assembly. और जो भी departments में काम होते हैं उसका पहले approval किस में होना चाहिए? Legislative assembly में उसको approved किया जाना चाहिए कि yes ये काम आप कर सकते हो अपने department में, then only it will further done. Now the wallpaper project. A wall, underline this, wallpaper project is an interesting activity through which research can be done on the particular topic of interest. एक particular topic interest का ले लेते हैं, जो भी interest है या तो particular topic जो भी current topic होता है, issue होता है state में, उनके area में वो topic लेकर के और teacher क्या करती है, class को divide करके उनको बोलती है wallpaper activity start करना है. तो students क्या करते हैं, they collect the cuttings, the newspaper cuttings, the magazine cuttings और जो भी information है वो सब collect करके एक तरीके से wallpaper activity उसमें discuss करते हैं, वो लोग wallpaper activity करते हैं and then teacher finally gives them the chance to each and every group member to stand and discuss on the topic which the group has taken and finally the discussion is done on the topic whichever topic the student has chosen and even the idea, the feedback of the session is also done कि लोग दूसरे जो बच्चे हैं, दूसरे ग्रुप के जो बच्चे हैं वो क्या समझते हैं उनके टॉपिक से. जैसे एक करंट प्रॉब्लम डेंगू का लिया है यहाँ पर, तो दिस इज द वॉलपेपर एक्टिविटी एक तरीके से टू मेक द चिल्ड्रन अवेयर अबाउट द एग्जिस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम और उनको मोर एंड मोर इंफॉर्मेशन दे कैन गेट of the current problems. Clear? I hope it is clear. The lesson is over now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, one
Yes,
page
ma'am.
is,
Now question answers I'm going to today upload it on
ma'am, one page is remaining.
Student portal.
One page is
Question answers will be uploaded. You will check it from there. Okay. And in our
Ma'am, page number 30 is remaining.
next class we will continue with the history lesson. One page is remaining. We'll discuss in our
Yes.
next class. Okay. And then we'll continue with the history if one page is remaining.